Today on the channel, I'm here with Gangrene. We're going to change out the fuel filter. Stay tuned. Here we are. Got Gangrene. We're starting the project. But today, we're gonna change out the fuel filter. Seems simple enough, but it's down back underneath here. And what we're gonna do is take off this wheel and tire, all that, and try to go straight in there. Let's see how it works. So this isn't necessarily a how-to video, but the first thing I've got to do is loosen up these lugs. We're going to jack it up and then take off this wheel. All right, we got that off. We had to use this pipe and breaker bar. But now we're going to take this stuff off right here. That's the next plan. We have that off, and it's right there. So once we get my bearings, we'll take that thing out of there. There's the new, that's the new fuel filter. That goes up in there. We'll put some Gorilla Glue, some duct tape, it'll be as good as new. We got that one out. Now it was a kind of a bear. Now we'll be getting the new one back in. Got the new casing on it, getting ready to put it back up in there. We'll see how this goes. Now we just gotta figure out which way. Do I need to reverse it or put it in just like that? All right, we've got the new one in there, but I dropped a bolt at the very bottom. So I gotta find a little 12 millimeter bolt, but it's in there pretty tight. So let's see what happens. It's in there, it's purring like a kitten. Job done. Missing one bolt, but it'll be okay until I get one. Project number 1 in the books. You can hear Gangrene running in the back. Those are man hands. Project number 1 in the books. Next time, I'm out of breath. Next time we're going to tackle the rust. Even though I am a rust, that's the only rust that can be in this vehicle. We're going to tackle the rust on Gangrene. Be blessed, have a great day, and talk to you soon. Bye.